Here it is, a game-changer Motorola bendable phone. Now let's talk about why it is a game-changer. Motorola continues to push boundaries and invest in flexible display technology and smartphones. This is a new, innovative concept device. Inside it, you will get to see a standard-size 6.9-inch display, which is Full HD plus OLED. The display concept of this phone is such that it can be worn on the hand like a watch.
Or worn at a moment's notice for a hands-free experience.
You can keep this phone in a standing position, and it is 360-degree foldable.
Self-standing. Thank you.
Keeping in mind the future of AI in this device, Motorola has used AI well in this device, and Motorola knows that. Motorola's customers are very passionate about personalization, so Motorola has given some features by which you can customize your phone with the help of AI, like you can capture and upload your photo wearing any outfit. And immediately AI will customize your phone for you. It will allow you to create images matching the outfit style, which you can use as custom wallpaper on your phone. When you wear this phone like a watch, you have a completely hands-free experience. Another important feature given in it is real-time document scanning. This feature also works with the power of AI. It scans your image, enhances the quality. If the image has a lot of shadows or there are wrinkles on the document, then they also become clear to a great extent. This is also a very useful feature provided by Motorola.
Motorola has unveiled 4 AI concepts that redefine consumers' daily experiences. Say goodbye to crinkled receipts and artwork. Our AI model, built into the camera, improves final image quality by minimizing wrinkles and shadows to ensure documents and images appear as crisp and clear as possible.
Talking about privacy features, an excellent feature has been added to this device that takes full care of your privacy and safety. For example, if you take a screenshot from any social media platform, these features blur your profile information and your name. This is also an amazing feature that you will get on this device. As soon as this device is launched, we will make a full video on it, so to see such quality videos of tech, subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon, because if you do not miss any video, then friends will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy.